Iranian and dangerous missiles arsenals. Iran has a diverse missile arsenal, including short-range, medium-range, and the world-range ballistic missiles, as well as cruise missiles. What is the range of Iranian missiles like this Fada-110? A short-range ballistic missile with a range of kilometers, or the Jin-1, which has a range of up to 800 kilometers. But how accurate are Iranian missiles? In this video, you'll discover everything, so stay till the end. Iran's missile arsenal has emerged as the largest and most diverse in the Middle East, bearing significant implications for regional stability and international security. In 2022, the General Kenneth McKenzie of the U.S. Central Command delivered a sobering assessment revealing that Iran possesses an inventory of over 3,000 ballistic missiles. This revelation underscores the formidable nature of Iraq's missile program and has triggered concerns among global powers. Over the past decade, Iran has invested heavily in enhancing the precision and accuracy of its missiles, development that elevates its conventional threat capabilities. Precision and missile technology pertains to the capacity of a missile strike its intended target, precisely in parallel accuracy, or calls the intricate science of target acquisition and tracking, focusing on the missile's ability to find and engage the precise location of its target. The rods get them into these aspects marks a significant shift in its missile program, rendering its weaponry increasingly to complement this focus on precision and accuracy. Iran and loads of self-imposed missile range limit of 2,000 kilometers. This limitation publicly acknowledged in 2015. There was no strategic and diplomatic purposes. It aims to reassure the international community that Iran's missile program is of self-imposed missile range limit of 2,000 kilometers. This limitation publicly acknowledged in 2015. There was no strategic and diplomatic purposes. It aims to reassure the international community that Iran's missile program is not pursuing intercontinental capabilities of us temporary global concerns. However, the caveats lies in the fact that Iran retains the prerogative to abandon this limit at any time. Notably, Iran has already deployed Khorramshahr missile system, which with a lighter warhead could potentially achieve longer ranges. This maneuverability underscores the ambiguity surrounding Iraq's missile intentions. It gets into this aspect of the violence missile program is the fact that many of its missiles are inherently capable of carrying nuclear payloads. This has long been a subject of international concern, as evidenced in UN Security Council Resolution 2231, which urges Iran not to undertake any activity related to ballistic missiles designed to be capable of delivering nuclear weapons. Despite these concerns, Iran has persistently pursued the development of a diverse array of ballistic and cruise missiles, both inherently nuclear capable and potentially so. These concerns are compounded by the fact that Iran's space launch vehicles, Jared technologies, with longer-range ballistic missiles creating further challenges. The international response to Iraq's missile program has included UN restrictions on Iranian procurements, missile technology, and targeted sanctions on the entities involved in missile development. These measures are designed to curb the proliferation of Iranian missile capabilities ever met the transfer of technology and could potentially be used for military purposes. These restrictions are scheduled to remain in place until October 2023. Reflecting the global community's ongoing apprehensions. Iran has not merely developed missile capabilities for deterrence. It has actively deployed them in combat. Since 2017, Iran has engaged in several high-profile missile attacks, including a ballistic missile strike on Iraqi bases hosting U.S. forces in 2020. This conversation highlights real-world implications of Iran's missile arsenal and its capacity to impact regional conflicts. The Iran has transferred missiles to proxies such as Yemen Houthi rebels, who had avoided these weapons infrastructure in Saudi Arabia and the United Arab Emirates. This exodus not only regional, but also international ramifications. as Iran has allegedly considered selling its missile technology to Russia, underscoring the global implications of its missile program. Iran's missile program stands out for its diverse array of missile types, each possessing varying range and payloads. These missiles are a testament to Iran's growing capabilities in the realm of missile technology and have implications for regional security and defense strategies. Short-range ballistic missiles, or SRBM category, includes missiles with limited ranges designed for relatively short-distance engagements. Some notable SRBMs and Iraq shut off one job to making them suitable for tactical operations, making original assets, and regional air and space launch vehicles including Sophia, Qasid Sasha, and Game 100 serve dual purposes. While their primary function is to launch satellites into orbit, their underlying technologies and capabilities are akin to ballistic missiles. This duality raises concerns is that selfies can potentially be repurposed for military applications, given their shared technologies with ballistic missiles. Development of SLPs underscores the promising business in space exploration technology. The existence of these diverse missile types underscores Iraq's evolving program, which includes a mix of traditional ballistic missiles and more versatile these variations, allowing rods and tailors missile capabilities specific operational weather for regional deterrence, precision strikes, or space exploration. As Iran continues to invest in the development and modernization of its missile arsenal, the international community grapples with the security implications of this diversification. Understanding the range, precision, and payload capabilities of Iraq's missiles is crucial for assessing the regional balance of power and crafting effective policies to address regional and global security challenges. Iran's missile program remains a complex and dynamic element of its military strategy, influencing the broader geopolitical landscape. If you're still watching this video, you're definitely interested in Iran's missiles, and if so, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one in the realm of missile technology. Precision and accuracy are paramount considerations. Effectiveness and utility. These elements play a pivotal role in determining missiles' ability to achieve its intended objective and the extent of collateral damage. Precision in the context of missile technology refers to the missile strike precisely, minimizing the risk of missing the mark. Precision is a crucial factor for military operations, as it allows for the selective targeting of specific military assets or strategic locations, minimizing the risk of unintended consequences. Accuracy, on the other hand, encompasses a broader set of considerations and involves not only the missile's precision, but also the ability of the user to aim accurately. In other words, accuracy accounts for the entire process of launching a missile, including target acquisition, tracking, and the operator's skill, and guiding the missile to its intended destination. This comprehensive view of precision and accuracy acknowledges that even in highly precise missiles, famous its target if the operator fails to make. An accurate Iran missile program is actively pursued. Advancements in both precision and one notable development is the utilization of surveillance drones, which have had a significant impact on the accuracy of the world's missile forces. These drones serve as crucial assets in target identification and tracking by providing real-time intelligence and reconnaissance. They enable more accurate and timely targeting decisions. The integration of surveillance drills into Iraq's missile operations exemplifies the importance of accuracy and missile technology. As Iran continues to enhance the precision and accuracy of its missiles, the development has implications for regional and global security. It underscores the evolving nature of missile technology and its impact on military strategies and deterrence efforts. The ability to precisely target specific assets or locations and the skill to aim accurately are factors that shape the effectiveness and consequences of missile use in contemporary conflicts. The synergy between precision and accuracy is a defining feature of modern missile technology. and its continued development, if Iran and other nations, requires ongoing scrutiny and consideration within the broader context of international security and arms control efforts. These elements shape the contemporary landscape of missile capabilities and their impact on the geopolitical stage. Missiles rely on different kinds of fuel to blast off and to maintain standout liquid-solid. He runs the focusing on solid fuel. This is the opposite effect. Get more bang for your buck. They're also easier to maintain, so you don't need as much special equipment or fancy technicians to take care of them. Once they can be fired off quickly, big advantage if you need to respond fast in a military situation. Make sure you like this video and also please subscribe to our channel for more. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.